So over here you can see that I have this music track, and if I were to press the play button, you can hear out the music. Let me just go around and drag it onto the music track itself right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to find out the exact spots where the beats are. So in that case, Adobe Premiere Elements can be a help. So what you can do is you can simply go around onto the music right here and then go around onto clip, and here you can see beat detect is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then you can go around and change around the minimum time between the beats right here. Let's say for example it's 1 second, and then you can change around the decibel difference for the beats right here, just like this. So you can go around and set those value out right here and press OK. Once you do that, what happens is that it detects out the beats, as you can see right here in beats bar. So if I were to press the play button, it detects out the beats right here. You want the beats to be more, let's say for example, detectable, then you can simply go around and change around the decibel difference right here to 5 and press OK, and then it analyzes out the beats accordingly right here. So now what you can do with this is you can go around and let's say for example bring in video right here, and you can see that you can take the beat as the reference point right here, just like this. You know like where the beats are right here. So that is how you can go around and work around with it. If the beat is not working out, you can simply go around over here, you can zoom in, and then you can make manual adjustment to the beat over here, just like this as well. So that is what you have. You can go around and set the beat marker right here manually as well. Right click and then go to the next beat marker right here. You can go around, set the beat marker just like this as well, and this is for reference right here, as you can see. So you can go around over here and then set this out as a reference for the starting of the clip and so forth right here. And that is how you can utilize the beat detect option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.